How to verify X account and age. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open X app on your device. Here, go to your profile. After you're in your profile, click on the pencil icon at the top right. Then, click on birth date. Select your birth date to 18 plus. Press on continue. Press on save. Press on confirm. And your age will be verified. To get the verified badge, click on Get Verified in the profile. And you will need a subscription, as you can see, which is premium, and it includes enhanced experience, growth AI, creator hub verification and security customization. And it is just starting from $2, so you can purchase and get verified. This is how to verify X account and age. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.